Connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to a Chromebook might feel a little different compared to pairing them with an iPhone or iPad. Since Chromebooks use standard Bluetooth instead of Apple's instant pairing system, you won't see the familiar pop-up animation. This can make it seem like your AirPods aren't working or aren't being detected at all. The key is to manually put your AirPods into pairing mode and then connect through the Chromebook's Bluetooth settings. Once you complete the initial setup, everything becomes smooth and automatic. Your AirPods will reconnect whenever Bluetooth is enabled and they're nearby. It's a quick, one-time process that gives you a clean and wireless listening experience on your Chromebook. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. Click the time area in the bottom right corner of your Chromebook. Step 3. Turn Bluetooth on from the quick settings panel. Step 4. Press and hold the setup button on the case until the light flashes white. Step 5. Select your AirPods Pro 3 from the list of available devices. Step 6. Confirm the connection and start using them for audio.